Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your crypto from BYDFI to the Binance app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on BYDFI, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 8,100 new user rewards. Alright, open your BYDFI app, then go to the Assets tab, tap on Withdraw, select the coin you want to withdraw. Let me pick USDT. Choose Network as the withdrawal method. Now, you'll be asked to paste your external deposit address. In my case, I'll use my Binance account as the receiving wallet. And if you haven't signed up on Binance, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Open your Binance app, go to the Assets tab, tap on Add Funds, select On-Chain Deposit, choose the same crypto. I'm using USDT. Select the network. I'll pick BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Copy your deposit address. Now go back to your BYDFI app. Paste the Binance deposit address. Make sure to select the same network, which is BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once everything is set, tap Submit. Double check all the details, especially the address and network. Tap Confirm. Complete the security verification. Then tap Confirm again. Awesome, my withdrawal request has been submitted. Now let's just wait for a few minutes for it to arrive in my Binance account.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, I've checked my Binance app and the deposit has been added successfully to my balance. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll try to help as much as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more crypto tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.